I got to be really careful where I put my tools down. The snow will bury them so quick, and then you can't find them, and then you're in real trouble. Let's get the snow out of here. Getting old, I keep having to put my glasses on my head. And I'll tell you what, it is really wet out here. All the wood is soaking and covered in ice. It can be really challenging to start a fire. So I'm gonna use one of these Duraflame fire starters. Really love these things. They're waterproof, windproof, they burn like the devil, and they're super duper light. They're about the same weight as styrofoam. And take a little stick and wrap some cotton ball around it. Kind of use it like a little torch. Oh, my hands are shaking. I go through and knock all the limbs off the poles. The limbs and scrap pieces go in the fire. The parts I'm going to use to build my shelter, I lean up against the root ball, let those dry next to the fire so they're nice and warm and dry. I had my headlamp around my neck for when it gets dark, and a branch snagged it and shot my headlamp into the snow. I see it flew around somewhere around here. Oh, there it is. Found it.